Claiming Child Care Subsidy, what you need to know. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to claim Child Care Subsidy through Service Australia. Number 1. Gather required information. Before you start your claim, gather all necessary information such as your and your partner's tax file numbers or TFNs, income details, child's birth certificate, and any relevant custody or care arrangements. Number 2. Create a myGov account. If you don't already have one, create a myGov account at www.my.gov.au. This is essential for accessing government services online, including Child Care Subsidy claims. Number 3. Link to Centrelink. Once you have a myGov account, link it to Centrelink by adding Centrelink to your services. This allows you to submit and manage your Child Care Subsidy claim. Number 4. Start a new claim. Log into your myGov account and navigate to the Centrelink section. Look for the option to start a new claim or make a claim. Choose the relevant option for family assistance. Number 5. Provide personal information. Follow the prompts to provide personal information for yourself, your partner if applicable, and your child. This includes names, dates of birth, addresses, and contact details. Number 6. Declare income. Declare your and your partner's income for the relevant financial year. You will need to provide details from your tax return or payslips. Number 7. Submit supporting documents. Upload any required supporting documents, such as birth certificates, proof of income, and custody arrangements. Ensure that these documents are clear and legible. Number 8. Review and confirm. Review all the information you have provided for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections before confirming your claim. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 9. Submit claim. Once you are satisfied with the details, submit your Child Care Subsidy claim. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your claim has been received. Number 10. Wait for assessment. Service Australia will assess your claim based on the information provided. This process may take some time, so be patient. Number 11. Check your myGov inbox. Service Australia will communicate with you through your myGov inbox regarding the status of your claim. Make sure to check it regularly for any updates or requests for additional information. Number 12. Review and respond. If Service Australia requests further information or clarification, provide the requested documents or details promptly to avoid delays in processing your claim. Number 13. Receive outcome. Once your claim has been assessed, you will receive a decision letter outlining the outcome. This letter will detail your entitlement to Child Care Subsidy and any other relevant information. Number 14. Manage subsidy payments. If your claim is successful, you can manage your Child Care Subsidy payments through your Centrelink online account. This includes updating your details, reporting changes in circumstances, and viewing payment history. Number 15. Renewal and review. Remember that Child Care Subsidy is subject to review and may need to be renewed periodically. Ensure that you keep your details up to date and respond to any requests from Service Australia promptly to continue receiving your entitlement. Following these steps should help you navigate the process of claiming Child Care Subsidy through Service Australia's online portal. As we reach the end of this video together, let us remind ourselves of a magical truth. In every moment, we hold the power to shape our reality. Just as a magician transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, we too can infuse our lives with positivity and upliftment. Let us choose to see the beauty in every situation, to find joy in the simple moments, and to spread kindness like confetti. Remember, you are capable of creating your own magic. So let us embrace each day with a heart full of gratitude, a mind open to possibilities, and a spirit that shines bright. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Here's to a future filled with wonder, love, and endless possibilities. Stay magical, my friends.